On the first page of our story, the future seemed so bright. Then the same turned out so evil. I don't know why I'm still surprised. Just gonna stand back